Okay, so let's take a look at what our options are here. If you want to install the Inkscape and Living Hinge extension, the first thing you need to do is actually install or see if you have Xcords. If you aren't sure, double check and see if you have this on your computer already. You might. Um, if you do, open it up, make sure it works, then close it down. If you don't have this, then you want to make sure that you download the DMG and install it. Once you install it, open it, then close it, and it'll be ready to interact with the Inkscape DMG. So once you have that done, the second one you need is the Inkscape DMG. And again, that you will also install, right? So when you go to install this, it looks like this. And you just drag this over and kerplop it in. It's a little bit easier than some of the other installations. So part 2. Then you are going to need to open up, start, and then quit Inkscape. Just to make sure that it's functional and working. Please, please, please go through all those steps. The next thing that you're going to need to do is to, actually, let me do this way, applications and Inkscape. There are a couple of places, here we go. There's one place you need to put your, oh please, are we working? Maybe not. Oop. Clicking not working. Oop, I'm opening it. Well, that's not quite what I had in mind. We want to, is it opening? It is opening. Fine. I will show you this first. You'll notice when you go to open Inkscape that Xcords opens, and this opens inside of Xcords. Kind of annoying, but that's the way this works. So, yeah, you don't need to know about the hows and the whys. The thing is that we're going to be working with an extension called a Living Hinge. Now, the thing is, the program doesn't come with this. You then need to put it in the extensions folder under render, and that's where it goes. Okay, and that way you can play with it. So that's the important part. Now, how do you put it there? Let me quit that. And I want to see, here we go. So if I right click on the program in the list, not the icon, I want to see show contents. Show package contents. There we go. Brain cramp. And this is what is inside that icon, right? And this is where you then have to go find, I'm pretty sure, nope, I do this every time. Oh, etc. And then maybe etc. Menu bar, progress window, no, maybe. Where do I put it? Ha. See? And last but not least, we should have extensions. Let's see, and there's my livinghinge.py. Okay, so, well, that was annoying. You have to put it in here, right? So I have included in here, this is your livinghinge.py. Download it, and then you just need to drag it and put it in this extensions folder, and you'll be all set. If you have the INX and the PY, that's golden. I think you can do it just with the PY. I don't know why I have both. So there's your file path, right? So inside, you're gonna view contents, resources, share, Inkscape, extensions, and that's where you put the file. If the file is there, then when you open Inkscape, and I'll do another one of these so you can see how to use it, that's where it goes. So start there, and we'll see part 2 in just a minute.